Hi guys, today we are going to take a revision of lesson first service. Let's get started with the first question. How does the rain soothe the poet's nerves? Answer. The rain soothes the poet by getting rid of heat and fatigue. Second question. Why do the tree look magnificent? The tree look magnificent and shining when the rain washes the leaves of the tree. Third question. What do the travelers feel when it rains? They feel relieved. Comment on the expression drenched me on the sly. It shows the power or strength of the rain. Next, we can look some words and its meaning. First one, parch, become dry through intense heat. Next, soaked, allow to become truly wet. Soothe, reduce pain or discomfort. Fray, become worn at the edge or irritate. Fatigue, extreme tired due to the mental or physical exertion. Visage, face. Bosom, a woman's chest. Gain, a person, manner of walking. Resplendent, impress through colorful. Dampen, make slightly wet. Drench, wet thoroughly. Gurgle, making sound like water running out of bottles. Respite, a short relief from something difficult or unpleasant. Wade, walk through water. Activity 1. Complete the table below. Explanations, expression or line from the text. The poet's face was dry. Expression of that explanation is parched face. Second one, she got soaked in the rain. Soaked in rain. She was tired. Frayed nerves. The heat and fatigue made her weary. The weary lines heat and fatigue. The trees were wet and beautiful. Dressed in washed green look magnificent. The poet stood in wonder, marveling at the wonderful gift of nature. The poet returned home. I hurried home, wandering through. Activity 2. Read the line. Wet clothes clung to my body like an infant to its mother's bosom. Here, the clinging of the wet cloth is compared to an infant clinging to its mother's bosom. This is an example for simile. Now, we can look what is simile. A figure of speech involving the comparison of one thing with another thing of different kind used to make a description more emphatic. The use of simile as a method of comparison. Now develop similes from the following hints. First one, the tree stands like a house. The moon looks at me like a pearl. The flowers smiles like an infant. The thunder roars like a lion. This is for example of similes. First one, Manu is as hungry as a horse. That is a simile. The car was edged when it passed by us. That is a metaphor. The cat fur was a blanket of warmth. That is a metaphor. There were fireworks landed in the sky. That is a metaphor. You are as brave as a lion. That is a simile. Lanthrope is a fish when he swims. It is a metaphor. She is as pretty as a picture. That is simile. The moon was a misty shadow. That is an example for metaphor.